As you can see, it says here that this site can't be reached. Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More. It is Kim once again showing you another tutorial for today. And in this one, I'll be showing you how you can block any website on Google Chrome on mobile. That's what I'm showing you here today. I am on mobile and we are going to be using Google Chrome. The good thing about this is that it works on any Android phone that you have, may it be any other brand. Like mine, I'm using Xiaomi, but if you have like Samsung or anything else, then that should be fine. Just follow the tutorial that I'll be showing you and let's get into it. Let's go first to Google Chrome. And we have to head into this website called my.nextdns.io. You just type it in on your URL and then we have to sign up for an account. Okay, now we just need to put in an email to sign up to our account. Let's get this over with. I'm gonna make sure that my account here is also secured, because what's the point of setting up all this security if my security, like my password, isn't that secure either? Alright, now we are here on the homepage of NextDNS. What we have to do now is scroll to the right here on the top, and you find something called deny list. Basically, what this page is all about is where you have to put a website that you want to deny access to. For example, let's say we don't want to go and visit a website called hostname.org because you'll get addicted to Counter-Strike. I'm very much an addicted person to Counter-Strike. So let's just click on enter here, and as you can see, it's been set to that. But that doesn't mean that it works already. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say if I go to HOTB now, it still works because we have to do something else first. Let's go back to my next.dns and then scroll back to the left. You find setup here, scroll down, and then you'll find here private DNS. You can see here that they have given this link or DNS that we have to enter into our mobile device. They even have a tutorial or instructions here already set, but I'm gonna be showing you how you can do it on your own. So let's copy this. Let's go to settings. Let's go to private DNS. I already searched it up. Click on it, and then over here, the private DNS provider hostname, you just have to paste whatever you got there to this one. Select it all. Oh, where is it? For some reason I can't. Alright, then just save. And once you're done, you should be good to go. Let's go back to the website. What we have to do now is to try and go to the website again, hotb.org. Oh no, it's my favorite website. To have it gone? Will it be gone? Oh, it's still fine, because we have to do one more thing. Let's close Chrome and open it again. Let's try and search it up again. As you can see, it says here that this site can't be reached. Might be my internet. Let's try again. It can't be reached. And that is it. That is how simple it is for you to block any websites on your Google Chrome. You can add anything there, even explicit websites, if you want to protect yourself from the bad stuff, if you know what I mean. But that is it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.